Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Enterbay Michael Jordan Team USA version from the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. Before we start the unboxing, huge shout out first to the Mother Base Collectibles, the source of this amazing toy. I got this for only $7,499. How? Just by subscribing to their channel, you would be updated with exclusive deals and promos. So I suggest that you also subscribe to their official Mother Base YouTube channel. Now let's get back to the toy. Before we start the unboxing, let's take a look at the box first. On the box, the graphics is already eye-catching. You will see Michael Jordan on a dunk pose, wearing his iconic Team USA jersey. And on the side of the box, it says Real Masterpiece. And at the back, the iconic Jordan number 9. This is his number when he wore the uniform of the national team of the United States of America. This was the first dream team that fought, I think, Croatia on the championship. But now, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. When you open this one, you will see a backdrop which has USA Basketball, and there is also the name Michael Jordan. Nice colorway, by the way. And a manual from Enterbay, instructions on how to install the base or the display stand, and it also has a card with the number 9, Jordan's number on the Team USA, and certificate of authenticity. It also says that this is a limited figure, meaning there is only 5,000 units made by Enterbay, and this is the number 2,766 out of 5,000 units produced. Okay, let's take a look at the figure itself. Look at that. Look at how amazing this toy is. Look at the head sculpt. Look at the facial expression of this one. Look at the jersey and the shoes. All are very highly detailed. And the head sculpt, so awesome. It's like Jordan saying, "This is my court." And of course, let's check the articulation. No issues about that. I think this is very easy to pose. And the jersey is made out of fabric. The name and the number patch, I don't think this is rubberized. I think this is leather. The side of the shorts and the jersey is somewhat silky. I don't know the exact material used on this one, but what I can say, it is very highly detailed. The head, the elbow band, knee band, and the socks are all highly detailed, as well as these shoes. Look at this one. This is the exact shoes that Jordan wore in the 1992 Olympics. They won the championship against Croatia, and the performance of the first Dream Team was very dominating. So this figure is very iconic. If you are a Michael Jordan fan, I'm sure you wouldn't miss on this figure, considering this is also a limited Michael Jordan 1/6 scale with only 5,000 produced all around the world. If I'm not mistaken, these shoes is the Air Jordan 4, and there is a number 9 on the back of the shoes too. The iconic number 9 jersey of the Team USA, the first ever Dream Team, one of the strongest Team USA ever assembled. So what else is inside? Inside the box, there is also an extra attire for Michael Jordan, a Team USA warmer. So if you wanna dress him differently, this is another option. And there are also 8 extra hands for his Airness MJ. And the base, you will see the base with the Team USA logo. Look at this base. This is one huge base with the Team USA logo, USA Basketball too, and the name Michael Jordan. Beneath the box, it says authenticated upper deck memorabilia, produced 2022 by Enterbay. By the way, I just noticed that this base can be detached. There's a magnet or something like that connects this too. So if you wanna display it just like this, or you can display it like this. Very interesting. And of course, the figure also has a ball that says 1992 USA Championship. Like what I said earlier, they won that Olympic tournament at Barcelona in such dominating fashion. One of the strongest Dream Team ever assembled. So if you are a Michael Jordan fan, you wouldn't miss on this figure. And what else is inside? Okay, this is part of the display stand. So if you've been watching my videos, you know what's coming up next. Let's come up with a display pose for the figure. Now this is the display pose that I've come up with. By the way, I forgot to say that there is a magnet that connects the hand and the ball. And before I end the video, shout out again to the Mother Base Collectibles. If you are looking for Enterbay and Hot Toys figure, please visit their store at Shopsville and Shopsville Plus, Green Hills. They also have resin statues and anime toys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.